Welcome to VSR Tech Info. This is VS Rao. In this video, I will show you how I have modified this stunt car, which was earlier having 4.8 volt nickel cadmium battery pack. Now I have modified this with 18650 lithium ion 3.7 volt battery, which is shown here, and this is 18650 3.7 volt lithium ion battery charger. I am opening the stunt car to wire this battery along with charger. This facilitates the recharging of battery through charger, and the car is brought back to life again. I have now opened the stunt car, the receiver circuit, the motor wiring is as shown. The motor wiring image. 3.7 volt 18650 2600 milliampere lithium battery is used for rebuilding this stunt car. This is test run with 3.7 volt lithium ion battery. One single battery is sufficient to drive this car. This is 3.7 volt lithium ion battery charger, which takes 5 volt as input from micro USB and delivers 3.7 volt at the output B plus and B minus. I will be wiring B plus and B minus now. The soldering is completed now. The charger module and the battery will be connected to the car. The B plus from the charger out will be connected to the positive wire. I have used white wire, and this will be connected to positive of the battery terminal. The grey wire is the negative wire. B minus from the charger will be connected to battery minus terminal. Take precautions while doing soldering. Do not burn your fingers. Now the battery is soldered with positive and negative wires. Assembled in the car as shown, along with the battery charger. The charging wire which goes to a normal mobile charger, which gives 5 volt as output. Now at this stage I will be putting the insulation tape on the battery terminals. Insulation tape is required to prevent any short circuit. And finally I will be using double-sided tape to stick battery to the compartment. This is the final completed wiring of the stunt car. With all the wiring completed, now I will fix this top case. Now the lithium ion battery is put in charging. Please ensure that the stunt car on off switch is kept in off position. Now the battery is fully charged, which is indicated with a green light.